How are you, Ted?
Yes. Hello. Are we live?
I believe we're live.
We're live, maybe.
Yes,
So
yes.
welcome to the 9th Phoenix Typewriter Type-In.
Excellent.
Roundup, something or other. We gave it a lot of names, so.
Yes. And speaking of big, this is Susan's Hermes ambassador that she talks about. And yeah. Wow. So my understanding is this has both a cloth ribbon and a carbon ribbon. Yeah. That thing is huge. She calls this Andre the Giant. Yeah. Very cool. I'm not sure what that is behind it. And there's the matching phone and teacup set. Is that I think that's a document holder? Yeah, it must be a document holder. Back there.
Copy holder.
A copy holder, yes.
So it can go up like this.
Nice.
Or with this. See?
Oh. Okay.
So if you were a real typist, but I'm not. And then you can go back
Oh
down
wow,
like that.
cool. That is very
So
cool.
you just clip the thing in here, and then this is above here is the line that you're planning to type. So you put your paper in here.
And someone asked where the stapler is. There's the stapler.
Of course, the stapler's here.
Oh, Indro says he has an ambassador also.
Oh, it's my favorite. Okay, well, you know, it has
Look at that.
2 ribbons. So this is when it's on for just a regular ribbon. Let's see. Not a bad angle. And then you can switch. And you can see the difference in the print quality.
Nice.
But you can switch to the carbon right from this little thing here.
That's very cool.
It's a
Yeah, 5 Series Smith Corona. What is that one? Silent. Oh, is that the vertical script? Yes, Joven Cleave. Yeah, that's the vertical script. So he featured this in one of his videos.
I am sloppy.
Let's watch your technique here.
If the typewriters were not paid. Smaller than the original, so. Okay, that's better. So you. Okay. The last time I flew, so it has a little wiggle.
Teeth each other here.
This is the greatest fight I've ever seen. The camera fight at a typist. Okay, now the question is, can I just to protect we could cut that in half. Yeah, this is one of my old waxing rags. Let's see, as I remember,
Well, you need a typewriter.
you have to center it like that, and then that'll go like that.